Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be putting some new seats in this 1990 Daihatsu Charade. As you can see, these old ones are really worn out and they need to be replaced. Fortunately, removing seats in a car like this is very easy. There's 4 bolts, one here, one there, and then 2 back here. And it's the exact same thing for the other seat. So I'll start by undoing them with a ratchet. Now in undoing the back bolts, you will have to move the seat forwards to access them. Now the seat's unbolted, it's as simple as pulling it out. There's one seat down, and with the power of editing, the seat's removed. You can see all the old bits of the seat that were breaking off on the floor. As you can see, there's quite a difference between the old one and the new one. Pretty good condition for something that's 32 years old. Much better than this one at least. Now it really is as simple as just bolting it back in. New one on this side's done. Same on this side, just 4 bolts and it's in. How easy is that? Now this looks much better than before, doesn't it? There's no need to suffer with garbage seats when it's this easy to put new ones in. I hope you enjoyed my video and learned just how easy it is to change your seats. Thanks for watching.